what we really look for in employees is someone who's driven to learn every single day. Lifelong learning, it's key to progressing in the tech field because things change so quickly.
I think that you can no longer wait to students get in high school or graduate for them to start making career choices. I think the earlier they make them, the better they are at them.
You don't have to be pigeonholed into something. If you're not a developer or that doesn't interest you, there are so many other things that come with the technology world.
Infinity Software Development is a services company. We provide information technology services of all kinds. We do that through a very collaborative environment where our people have a lot of fun together.
And we run the gamut in terms of technologies, so people that know Oracle and SQL Server, people that know .NET or Java. It's a pretty broad range.
I would really encourage for people to consider companies like Infinity, especially right out of college. You will receive so many opportunities that you won't necessarily receive with a Fortune 500 company.
Domi is two things at once. It's a co-working space where young companies collaboratively work alongside each other, and also a tech startup incubator.
Part of our business model is actually to train students to be able to help us so that when a hurricane does form and is approaching, we can bring a team in that can work around the clock to analyze the storm.
There's always a demand for at least what I do, draftsman. It's such a technical field that there will always be a need for it.
So what we're really interested in is in people who are self-starters, people who want to go after new knowledge every day and are excited by new ideas and not daunted by the challenge of learning a new language that's emerging.
Datamex is a software development company. We're focused on providing solutions for law enforcement, public safety, criminal justice.
We're an IT provider as well. We have technical support, which provides support services to our customers. We have a pretty strong internship program.
We take the interns and we place them directly on our product teams. So they participate from the start all the way through the life cycle of the product, and they participate as if they're a full-time employee.
I'm interning in the marketing department, and I'm focusing on web development and some of graphic design as well. It's really amazing to watch just how quickly you progress inside of an environment like this.
Internships are really important for you to decide whether or not you want to go into a certain field. It's also nice to know that the skills you learn in school can be applied to something in the real world.
What I would encourage for any women who are interested in this industry is to get involved early. There's a lot of programs that you can do at your high schools or colleges. It's not a stagnant field, so if you're somebody who likes to learn, this is definitely a great industry to be in.
Any certification that you seek out is important. What I recommend is not to sit on the sidelines and figure out that my 4-year degree is enough.
Really, the next generation of what we're going to be doing is going to be all focused on technology. So in order to keep pace and maintain that, you have to be involved in it on a daily basis.
I think IT is one of those fields that has something for everyone.